How to convert Figma design to WordPress. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to convert Figma design to WordPress. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, make sure that you're logged in or signed off to Figma. So let's open Figma right here on our browser, and then from in there, let's try to get started for this. Click on that, and then you can just continue with your Google account or anything that you want. So what you can do is you can just sign in from in there, and then once you have signed in, it will open an account for you. So let's just wait for this right now. So you can see this is loading. Now once you're done signing in, as you can see, it will redirect you to another website wherein Figma will be open. So if you want to convert the Figma design that you have to WordPress, what you need to do is just head over to this figma.com community right here. So you can just search for this right here. This is made by a user, Ryotako. So from in there, you can just click on this thing right here to try it out. As you can see, no code required, and this is free. This has high security, so you can just click on this right here, and then just sign in to Figma in order to integrate it to your Figma account, and it will be redirected to WordPress. So let's just wait for this right here. As you can see, you can try it out. So just click on this, and you can publish it on your WordPress. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to convert Figma design to WordPress. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!